and so I love you. I'm a woman. When I say I've been stuck by the glue onto you. Salt air and the rust on your door. I never needed anything more, or whispers of are you sure? Never have I ever before, but I can see it's lost in the memory. I get slipped away into a moment in time, 'cause it was never mine.
And I love you so. The people ask me how I've lived till now. I tell them
people who show the most love never felt love themselves, so they end up caring for others more than themselves, hoping they would receive it back, but they never do. They always hide their pain, telling everyone only half the story, and hiding it from their parents, because they don't want to be a burden. They wish someone had told them earlier.
Let me show you how to make this orange chicken that is better than your Chinese takeout in just under 20 minutes. Start off by making a batter which is going to coat the chicken. It consists of cornstarch, all-purpose flour, soy sauce, an egg white, vegetable oil, salt and pepper, and water. Give everything a good mix, and this should be the consistency of the batter. Okay, and then we're going to deep fry the chicken until it's nice and golden brown, and then as an optional but highly recommended step, I like to double fry them for another 60 seconds just to make sure that they stay nice and crispy. For the orange sauce, we're going to combine together some orange juice, fresh orange juice, do not use the artificial bottled versions, some orange zest, brown sugar, soy sauce, vinegar, minced ginger and minced garlic, and some salt and pepper. Give everything a good mix and bring this to a boil on high flame, and once it's boiling, reduce the flame to medium and then add in the cornstarch slurry while mixing. Once the mixture is thickened, add in your fried chicken, give everything a good mix until it's fully coated, and then serve this immediately. I like to serve this on some rice and then make sure to top it off with some toasted sesame seeds and chopped green onions. This recipe is quick, simple, and has become my new favorite chicken recipe. The written recipe is available on my website, thefoodflamingo.com, linked in my bio, so make sure to try out this recipe and follow for more.
Finding the right words to use for this song. I have you in mind so it won't take so long. Breath without I find you, but you're here and so I love you. I'm a woman. When I say I've been stuck by the glue onto you. I walked across an empty land. I knew the pathway like the back of my hand. I felt the earth beneath my feet. Sat by the river and it made me complete. Oh, simple thing, where have you gone? I'm getting old and I need something to rely.
When you start living for the small moments, that's when you really know you're living. The smell of coffee in the morning, the different colors of the sunset,